fishing offshore remains by far the most deadly and dangerous profession here in Britain. Although Whitby no longer has a fishing industry as it did of old, the seas, as you can observe, can be cruel, can be rough. But even less than 100 years ago, fishers still had to risk and brave these oceans to bring in the catch, so they could sell the catch, pay the rent, feed their families,